They're on a good unbeaten run themselves. Their confidence will be up, and they feel they've got nothing to lose. That's sometimes a dangerous opponent, isn't it?
Of course, but when you're Arsenal, you know, most of the teams where you go, especially in the cup games, they have not a lot to lose, and so we know that kind of problem. We have dealt with it always historically reasonably well, and we want, of course, the players who come in, we want to show as well that they are there to make the squad successful, and they will give absolutely everything to win the game.
And looking back to us, one of our attacking threats might be Joel Campbell, might get another opportunity. Not seen the best of him yet in an Arsenal shirt. We know his quality, he's shown that at the World Cup.
I personally like very much Joel Campbell for two reasons. One he has outstanding individual quality, but as well he's a team player and he works very hard for the team. And I'm convinced he will get a chance here, and that he will take it. He has another opportunity tomorrow night, and I'm hopeful that they will show that he has the quality to play for us.
Players like him who have to take these chances when they're given, don't they? And looking further back, people like Callum Chambers, when they get a game, they've got to really shine.
You're right, but I believe that that's a bit the job of a football player, you know. When you get the chance, be ready. To be ready, you have to prepare. And I must say, Joel Campbell and Callum Chambers are two players who every day they do absolutely everything right. So they are prepared. The preparation they have created will give them the confidence to be ready for tomorrow night, and I'm confident they will have a good game.
And somebody like Callum, how important is his versatility? Because he can play in several
He can play in midfield, he can play central defender. I think in the future he will be a central defender certainly, and he can play right back. So that versatility will help him in the future, because he will tactically know more about the game, he will be technically better prepared, and physically as a top level Callum Chambers. So I'm confident that he will be a great player for England.